Hi Gemini and welcome to your monthly predictions. Today we are going to talk about how month of April 2021 is going to be for you. The video is coming a little early. Watch the videos of March. See how much these videos are resonating with you, and if you find things that are working for you, then do apply the solutions that I'm going to give you in this video. This is the month where you're going to kind of move away from a stuck situation. It feels like you're walking away from something. It is time to go. It is time to move towards the future, but not exactly that you're jumping into future. It's basically a time period which is in between moving out of a stuck situation and deciding where do you want to go further, what do you want to do further. So this month, ensure that when you move away from a situation, anything that you're feeling stuck with, you have the ability to take the lead, and it feels like something will provoke you or something will actually push you to take that lead, and you have the ability to take that lead and fulfill your wishes or fulfill the things, complete the cycle or complete the circle that is needed to be completed, and then move forward to achieve something in your life or move towards something that you really want to get in your life. Now the only thing that I will tell you this month is this is not the month to jump upon things. This is not the month to immediately act. This is not the month for big celebrations. This is not the month to break the news. This is the month where you only take that step to move forward. Have it within yourself, work on your strategy, work on everything, and then maybe next month you can break the news of whatever has happened in your life, but not this month. This is the month where you analyze, you make the plans, you move forward. If we talk about your health, stomach health is the first thing that I will tell you. Problem could be with the reproductive organs or genitals, and the only problem is it could be with the skin as well. But the only thing is, if you don't address it is only when it will be problematic. Devil only has the power if you don't address the devil. The darkness has only the power until you switch on the light, and that is why this month switching on the light is going to be very important. If you have any health issue, don't sit on that health issue, address it, and the moment you address it, that health issue will go away. So this is not the month where I feel that you will have a lot of health trouble or things will not work out. Rather, it is completely dependent upon you. The moment you take the stand, the moment you take a step, the moment you see a doctor or a therapist or whatever you need, you will see the issue moving away very, very fast. And that is why this is the month where you address any kind of issue that you get in this month. For mental emotional health, I don't see many problems as such. There could be something with the addiction, but you have to move over that addiction, and you have the ability this month. You will be able to take the lead and move away from that. If we talk about wealth or money, there is 10 of Pentacle and there is Page of Pentacle. I won't worry about the money situation. I see some kind of money flowing into your life. I also feel that money could come from the family property, the inheritance. If you're working with animals, some money could flow from there. If you're working with some kind of NGO, some money will flow from there. So in your family business, the money flow could be there. So money will definitely flow into your life. You don't have to be worried about the flow of money at all in your life this month. But this month, try not to indulge into spending money on celebrations, on expensive things, on traveling, on holidays. This month, try not to immediately indulge into this acts, because it feels like there was something that was stuck. So probably your money was also stuck somewhere. This month it flows and you suddenly have it and you don't know what to do with it, so you just want to spend it anyhow. Don't do that this month. This month is the month where you strategize. You can do something really good with this money. So don't kind of overindulge or overspend it. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month where new people might come into your life. So new relationships, yes, there is an opportunity for new relationship. There is also a happy home card because there's 10 of Pentacles. So I see a happy home card. You can also take lead of your life, but at the same time, because there's devil in the center, I kind of feel that you might just feel attracted to somebody, or you might just feel your partner is attracted to somebody, but that's not going to be the truth. Like, you're not going to move on that path, neither is your partner moving. So don't let negativity impact you this month. Don't feel stuck in your relationship. Don't think what were the wishes that you had and what are fulfilled and what are not fulfilled. Don't get into procrastination. Don't get into any negativity this month, and don't feel that you're stuck. You're absolutely not. Also this month, if you are getting into a relationship, don't commit and don't expect a commitment this month, because it's not the month for commitments. There is a lot more that is coming your way and you would want to wait for that. Also, if you are like into a relationship and you want to kind of move ahead and get married, get engaged, or plan for a baby and all of that, don't do that this month. I will say avoid any kind of celebrations that if you can this month, because the end of the month is bringing some more choices to you, some more experiences to you, and some more communications to you, and only when you get through them is when you take a decision is going to be better for you. If there is a pregnancy that has already happened, don't break the news. Try to keep things to yourself. Don't break the news to anybody, because I feel there's some kind of negative energy that is around you. There could be a negative person that is around you, and his energy or her energy can impact your pregnancy or the other situation or celebrations in your life, and that is why it is important to keep the things to yourself this month. If we talk about job and career, I kind of feel this is a good month for you to have a growth. This is a good month for you to move forward. This is a good month if you have been feeling stuck with your job situation, if the boss was very adamant, somebody was not letting you move forward, there was some kind of hindrance in the growth of your job or in the growth of your business. This month money flow will be there. That hindrance will move away. You will know how to take the lead. You will know how to move forward, and you will be able to take steps. But this month, ensure that you take steps after you strategize well. See what are the options available, see what the market is like, see what other people are doing, see what is happening, see the competition, and then take your decision. Don't immediately jump into anything. If you are into a business, I would suggest this month, if you can just strategize, that's going to be better rather than taking action. I see some kind of money flow or investment coming your way, and you would need to kind of check things very clearly before you kind of get into anything. The growth and the growth is possible. The travel, I would say, if you can avoid till the end of the month. Beginning of the month there could be travel, end of the month there could be travel. Also, another situation that I kind of feel is there could be some kind of legal situation that you might have to deal with, because at time devil card kind of can show some kind of arrest, some kind of legal situation. So ensure that if you are into any such trouble, strategize well, be ready for it, be prepared for it beforehand. If we talk about students this month, you will feel better, because it feels like there was a stuck situation, there was something that you wanted to do, we wanted to take a lead but were not getting enough options or were not sure about how do you move forward. So this month that stuck situation is going to move a little, you'll feel better. But if you're thinking to kind of take a step to move abroad or take a loan or move towards something for your studies, wait for the end of the month. You might just get some other opportunity which is better than the before. So wait for end of the month. If we talk about soul path, and also people who want to kind of pick up PhD and all, there is a possibility for that. You'll find a guide. If we talk about your soul path, this month there is a wheel of fortune. Wheel of fortune is complete turn of events, and which means that you are leaving your past behind, you're leaving the devil behind, and you're moving towards your intuition, you're moving towards something better. Don't jump into situations and things this month. Try to focus on meditations, on your day-to-day activity, on your daily activities and things. And if you are working on yourself internally this month rather than going external, this month will give you that soul growth that will help you move towards a better future. If we talk about your chakras, two chakras, sacral chakra and crown chakra. The mantra for sacral chakra is VAM. It's VAM, yeah, VUM, whatever you want to kind of take it as, VAM. And the mantra for crown chakra is, ideally it's silence, so you can just be silent and meditate. But if you cannot be silent and meditate, it can be so you have to touch your tongue on the upper palate and you can say AUNG, ang. So these are the two mantras, and there is a link in the description box that has all chakra meditation. If you want, you can do that. This month it will help you kind of move away from this devil situation and receive and strategize well. Your crown will open up, you'll be able to strategize well. The mental exercise of the month, 3 cards kind of jumped out, one, and they make sense when I put them together and with your reading, so I kept all 3. Attachment, strategy walking away. So if there is anything that you are stuck in, the Devil card, it says it is important to strategize how would you move out of it, and once you strategize is when you actually can move away from it. And that is why it is very important for you for this month to strategize the things, and if there is any kind of attachment that is pulling you back, this is the month where you leave that. This is the month where you move forward. The affirmation, the first affirmation is going to be, I release attachment and choose peace. I am strong, free and able to choose what honors me. This is the first affirmation that you will need for this month, and you can choose your affirmation. You can do all three, or you can choose your affirmation based upon what your situation is. Second is, I plan the necessary steps to achieve my goals and I am willing to take action in that direction. I am flexible, persistent and prepared, and you can add abundant. And the third meditation is, it is safe and comfortable for me to move on. I consider all my options and then take action on my own behalf. Figure out which is the meditation, which is the affirmation that works best for you, but pick up an affirmation and move forward this month. This is the month to move forward. Your surrender, the number of the month for you is number 4. Number 4 is already a month which talks about relax. Take a break, think about it, and then move forward. Color of the month, orange, red, purple, any shades. If we talk about your surrender card, the first card is surrender stress. It says take a few deep breaths and exhale the tension you build up in your body. Let the stress go as you come back to your center, and being in your center is very, very important this month. So don't take stress this month. This is not the month to take stress. Let go of the stress, let go of the devil. The second card that I have for you is future. It says let go of the past and move forward, and there is a golden flowery gate that is made for you to move forward this month. Now if we talk about wisdom cards, the 2 wisdom cards which are amazing that have come, one is chop wood. Chop wood is a card which says that kind of put your focus on day-to-day activities and don't worry about the long-term goal. Walking away anyways talks about when it is time to go. So when it is time to kind of leave a particular situation. I'm going to read out both the cards for you so that it's easy for you to understand what the cards are exactly saying. So the first card, chop wood. It says being grounded in everyday experience, humility. There are times when the big dreams is meant to lie dormant in your consciousness so that you can pay attention to the simple cores in your life. Consider why pruning a tree is an important thing of delighting and beautiful blooms when it is in full blossom. The mundane act of pulling off dead leaves, watering the soil and then leaving it to be let nature take its course is an important step in manifestation. Taking your attention away from your goal brings you into the state of receptivity. This is the deeper purpose for releasing attachment. When you engage in everyday tasks in a meditative, contemplative way, you clear your energy to receive your aha moments, which bring you ever closer to what you seek. So this month, focus on day-to-day activities, small things that you need to do. The second card is time to go. It says ending, completion, walking away from something because there is nothing else to learn from that experience. You are at the end of one journey and have not yet begun the next. This is the moment to bless your experience thus far. Take stock of what you've learned. It is time to move on to new experiences and a new way of being. There is nothing left for you to do, be, or experience in your present circumstances. Take the risk and move on, even if you need to be in transition for some time. Your destiny is calling you. And absolutely, it's the time of transition because you're moving away from the devil to wish fulfillment. What will happen if you follow the guidance? The first card is the star card. It says a dream come true, believe in yourself, end of difficult situation. Absolutely, the devil situation is ending, it's end of difficult situation. The second card is Ace of Michael, Archangel Michael. So it's Ace of Swords. It says a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. So this is the month where you actually move on and let go of the negativity and the stress. If you like the video, please share it with other Gemini because it will help them move forward in their life. And let's see what is the message for you guys. Message for Gemini, guys. Just what is the message for Gemini? Just what is the message for Gemini? Just what is the message for Gemini? Okay. 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles is the card which talks about definitely money growth, definitely some kind of resources coming to your life, and at the same time, like I said, some kind of legal thing I can see in your cards, and things happening in the best way they are meant to happen. So that is why, have faith. Just know that whatever is coming to you is what you deserve. However you're moving forward, just analyze, weigh the things, weigh the options, think about what you should do and should not do, and then move forward. Don't take a step which is in haste. And if you do that, if you know what you deserve is yours, and don't try to kind of take something away from someone, you will be able to move forward towards a much better situation in your life. So this month, it is the month to wish fulfillment, being competitive, knowing where you're moving, knowing what your strategy is, strategize well, weigh things well, and then move forward. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personal tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I need my reading. I will share my number, we'll take it forward from there. Also, if you want to understand soul, if you want to know the ways of letting go of stress, if there are other things that you want to learn like the tarot cards or a lot of other things, positivity, there are a lot of videos on my channel. If you get time, you can watch those videos, and if you find something useful, please leave a comment, please leave a feedback. Your feedback is always important for me. If you like the video, please share the video with everyone that you can, and if you can, please subscribe the channel. I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.